Oh, pause and copy, pause and copy, pause and copy. Let's try this one out. Okay, we are given this matrix. Got to solve the system. Thankfully, this is in reduced echelon form already, so there's no more reduction that I need to do. What I need to do is translate this back into a system of linear equations. I'm going to go with the variables x1, x2, x3, x4, x5. And the first row tells me that x1 minus 6x2 plus 3x5 is minus 2. Be careful here, very easy to make a mistake here. You got subscripts and you got numbers and, you got subscripts and you got entries. It's easy to mix them up, so be careful. Note to self. x3 plus 4x5 is equal to 7. x4 plus 5x5 is 8. Quick checkaroo. All right. So now my process is to solve for my basic variables. These are the variables that have corresponding leading entries. So x1, x3, x4. So I solve for those three. I get x1 is 6x2 minus 3x5 minus 2 x2. Whoa, whoa, whoa. x3 is minus 4x5 plus 7. x4 is minus 5x5 plus 8. Okay. And then we could say at the bottom that x5, comma, x2 are free. You should note that some textbooks will use the word arbitrary. Arbitrary. Is also used here sometimes, that word. And we call this the general solution. Okay, now we're going to look at a different form for the general solution called the parametric form. Okay, that's where we take these free variables and we say, oh, they're so special, so very special, that we're going to actually change the letters, change the variables we use. So let's call this parametric form of the general solution. Okay, you take your free variables and we're going to say these are so special they get new names. So we'll say x2, we'll call that, typically we go with S as our first letter we use, and then x5, I'm going to call that T. Okay, so these free variables are given new letters, and these letters are called parameters, S, T. parameters. Okay, so we're just piling on words here that all essentially mean the same thing. Okay, so parameter. What is a parameter? Well, a parameter is a free variable, which is also sometimes called an arbitrary variable. So free variable, arbitrary variable, and a parameter, all basically the same thing. But to get parametric form, we are going to just translate this general solution into a parametric form using these replacements right here. Now, zoom out here. So my parametric form is x1 is equal to 6s minus 3t minus 2. x3 is minus 4t plus 7. And x4 is minus 5t plus 8. So the parametric form of the general solution is right there.